Well, 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 what's this? If it isn't the consequences of Twitter's own actions. Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to the adventure. My name is Zach Pieper, lead adventurer here at Team Adventurous. And I just saw news of this on a clip from Timcast. If you're unfamiliar with Tim Pool, you should definitely go check him out. A lot of great information come from that guy. He's a journalist primarily, and he has a talk show and whole nine. Go check him out. But the thing that I want to talk about is this legal decision. Apparently, this guy, Alex Berenson, was having a legal battle with Twitter over their censorship, and he has scored a victory. This is his pinned tweet. I just found out about this guy's existence. I gave him a follow. I recommend you go and do the same because he's fighting the good fight for all of us. So, this legal decision reads: the First Amendment. Well, this is just a part of it, mind you. But the First Amendment protects speech. It generally prevents the government from interfering with people's speech or forcing them to speak. The platforms argue that because they host and transmit speech, the First Amendment also gives them an unqualified license to invalidate laws that hinder them from censoring speech they don't like. And they say that license entitles them to pre-enforcement facial relief against HB 20. We reject the platform's attempt to extract a freewheeling censorship right from the Constitution's free speech guarantee. The platforms are not newspapers. Their censorship is not speech. They're not entitled to pre-enforcement facial relief, and HB 20 is constitutional because it neither compels nor obstructs the platform's own speech in any way. The district court erred in concluding otherwise and abused its discretion by issuing a preliminary injunction. The preliminary injunction is vacated, and this case is remanded for further proceedings consistent with this opinion. So what this means, I'm no lawyer, but my understanding of what this means is, and I would need to read the rest of the court documents to be sure, but basically, Twitter has now had a legal decision made against it that limits their ability to censor people on their platform. To what extent, I think that remains to be seen. I would love to see the rest of the court documents on this, and I would love to hear a lawyer's opinion on this. If you know any lawyer that is currently commenting on this, please let me know in the comments. I would absolutely love to go read up further up on this, but I just saw this. I'm going to do some more homework on it, but I wanted to make a video on it right as I saw it because this really is huge. I mean, well, in Tim's words, this is the floodgates opening. What we might see as a result of this ruling is a slew of lawsuits against social media companies, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, all of the big ones that piggyback on this ruling. And frankly, I'd launch my own suit against YouTube and Twitter if I had the money. So this is great news, and I forgot to mention this when I did my video on how we can fight back, but lawfare is another way we can fight back. You know, if everyone who's been censored by a social media outlet sued that social media outlet, they'd all be brought to their knees instantly. Even if you just sued them, so they had to send a lawyer to court that one time. It just the overwhelming number of cases, even though 99% of them would be thrown out just from the get-go. If we all just sued on the basis that we'd been censored, we'd bankrupt them all. So keep fighting. Spend your money at places that support your ideas. Hit the follow button and the subscribe button on people like me, like Tim, like Crowder, who are fighting for you, who are speaking up for you. And go give this Alex Berenson guy a follow on Twitter and retweet this around. In fact, actually, just going to right there. All right, everyone. Just wanted to bring you that good news, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome to the adventure.